Authority. This is a severe weather alert.
Good evening, meteorologist Justin Esterly here from the Fox 56 Weather Authority, cutting in to give you that last hourly update before our shows begin here in about a half hour on what Helene has done across the Bluegrass. Take a look at the home view, actually a nicer scene for us after what was a very windy, very rainy day overall. Still seeing some camera shakeage there in Somerset, but the winds are slowing down, and the good news is the worst has come and gone. We're going to continue into tonight with a trend that is going to promise us better weather as we head through the weekend. Still more chances for rain, still some breezy winds, but again, the worst part is over. County power outages are still impressive, though, across the board. This storm has been knocking it out all across the region. In fact, Fayette County right now seeing the worst of it still. 34,000 customers without power, so a slight improvement since last time we checked in. Still, many areas are dealing with those power outages, and that's likely going to take the rest of tonight and a good chunk of tomorrow, if not the entire weekend, to fix. It's all because of these winds. We had peak wind gusts here in Fayette County today. Hit 65 miles an hour. That is a severe thunderstorm warning wind, and it was confirmed. We had that in Morgan County as well at 60. Nicholas County even right on the edge of a severe thunderstorm warning wind at 57. A lot of the areas saw 50+ mile an hour wind gusts that led to these problems. Now, though, the wind gusts are settling a little bit, still pushing 35 to maybe even 40 miles an hour. That opportunity is going to persist through a good chunk of tonight. As we continue into it, we have that high wind warning that sticks around for another 2 hours. Once that expires, the wind advisory is still in play until 2 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then we're going to really see relief from these winds. In fact, as we go into it, we're not only going to get the relief from the winds, but the rain here the rest of tonight is going to be on the lower end of possibilities. We've seen that there's a lot of severe weather north of the state in southern Ohio because some storms are still wrapping there, but we got a lot of dry air underneath, which is good news for us. You're going to get quite a few hours of break here from the rain until this whole system, of course, Helene, decides to meander back to the east, and she will by early tomorrow morning to bring you more chances for showers. But the next 2 hours here do look good. Again, can't rule out some stray activity for rain, but for the most part, we're past the bulk of today's rain. We've got more chances, of course, though, as we head into tomorrow. So tonight, things quiet down. Tomorrow, though, picks up again in a good chunk of the day. We're going to see rain chances across the board. That's going to linger even into our Sunday as well. We're going to break down more of that timing coming up at our show at 6:30. The rest of tonight into tomorrow morning, though, quieter as we go through. We're almost away from this storm, but it is going to bug us this weekend. I'll have more details on that, though, of course, coming up in our newscasts. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you at 6:30.